everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have some new cutting dies from hot off the press. 8 labels for your greetings cutting dies and some sneak peeks at some new paper packs. So come play with us. So I have a story to tell you about these 8 labels for your greetings cutting dies. A while back, my friend and coworker, Debbie, and I were just complaining that we didn't have any the shapes that were just the right shapes to place our stamped greetings and our dazzle greetings and our cutting die greetings, and we really were just wanting these just the right size shapes. And Paulette, she came through, and we have these wonderful different shapes here, and I'm going to show you some of the great things you can do with them. Needless to say, this made Debbie and I very happy, so we had fun making cards. So the first one, this is one Debbie made, and she used this label right here. And she first cut it out of sort of a brown wood paper from the coral lacy paper pack, or lacy coral rather paper pack. And then she cut this die cut greeting, which is from Creative Expressions, Happy Birthday. And she used some glitter kiss for this, and it's this one is copper, penny copper glitter kiss. And she just applied that to some cardstock and let that dry. You could use your heat gun or just let it dry by itself. And then she die cut this greeting. And then she did another strip of paper with the same glitter kiss on that, and then matted the shape and just used her little small scissors to cut that out. And isn't that pretty and so much shine? I love that card. That was a great one. And then we have a new paper pack from hot off the press. It's Cutesy Christmas, and that's what this little guy is sitting on, our little polar bear and his little friendly bird. We've also got some Christmas greetings dazzles, and this shape was just perfect to put that on. And then this one right here, these also make great little card focal platforms, so that worked out great with his little dazzle polar bear. And also from Cutesy Christmas. So on this one, I all used both sets of dies here, these little dovetail ones. So they're like this, but I turned them and used them as little flags. So also used Christmas glitter sparkle and shine adhesive sheets, this, and cut some of my shapes from the paper and some of them from the adhesive sheets. And I had all these fun little flags. And what I did with these flags is the ones that were made out of the adhesive sheet, it's peeled off, and then I went ahead and backed that, so just put the ends together so that it wasn't sticky on the back. There we go. Oops. Didn't line that up correctly. Let me set this down and do it properly. There we go. And the reason I did this was because I wanted to put some foam tape under some of them. And if they were all adhesive backed, then I wouldn't be able to do that. There we go. So some of them are layered like this with foam tape on them. And then I thought another cute idea, another use for these, take a toothpick and then fold one of your little dovetail labels in half, a little glue there, and how cute to make your own little flags for cupcake toppers and for your card making and for scrapbook pages. So lots of different little ideas there. I also used Blizzard sequins, snowflake sequins on my card. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, here's a great tag. Beautiful Christmas tag. This one that Debbie did, and this is from our new sparkle and new Christmas sparkle paper pack from hot off the press. Wonderful peachy colors and gold and lots of sparkle in this paper pack. Once again, she used a little label shape to die cut one of the images from the paper pack, and then put that directly, and then matted that with a little bit of the adhesive paper. And then also did the little dovetail label as well for her Dazzle Greetings. So just a really nice little shape for her Dazzle Greetings as well. And finally, also new from hot off the press, Abundant Florals paper pack. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Can't wait to show you this in another webisode. This was perfect. It used some penny black stamps. And here at Paper Wishes, we've got a whole new collection of penny black stamps. But we just really wanted to have something to put these on. So these different shapes are great, perfect size for the penny black stamps, okay? And you just really can't go wrong. And then they're wonderful for layering as well. So on this one, I used this shape as well as that shape. And also from 49 and Market, some of these really beautiful flowers. These are Country Blooms, and the purple one is violet, and then there's a storm color as well, and added the little sparklets to that as well. So thanks for joining me today. I was really excited to bring you these new cutting dies from hot off the press. As you can see, they're really versatile. You can stamp on them, you can put die cut greetings on them, Dazzle sticker greetings on them, and you can also use them for your focals. So I would definitely encourage you to check out our money saver that we have today. It's on the right side of your screen. If you're watching us on YouTube, check out the links in the description. Thanks for joining me today.